Welcome to Cooking with KierCass. This is a very excellent show, very well sophisticated. Today we're going to be making grilled cheese. We're going to be enjoying a nice refreshing beverage, some grog, yum yum yum. And any time I make this, I seem to absolutely cook it. I don't know how. I don't know why, but today will be the day that I don't fuck this royally when I make a grilled cheese. So, let's start on with the prep. What are you gonna need to make a grilled cheese? Well, first off, you're gonna need some bread. I recommend the sesame seed bread from Woolies. It's baked fresh, it smells good. You'll need some butter. Naturally, you'll need some fucking cheese as well. I like to use Cheese Wise, some Tasty, some Burger, and some Mozzie. Let's get cracking. Now, I think there's also a secret thing that we need here. Barbecue sauce. Now you may think,
Ew, what the fuck? That's fucking disgusting!
I thought that as well initially, but don't knock it until you try it. Talia taught me that and it's fucking good. So, step one to this disastrous cooking show. You want a butter, some bread. I'm fat, so I'm having 2 grilled cheeses. You can have as many as you like. You can have 5. That's not 5, that's 10. You can have 10, you can have 20, you can have 69. For all I care. Do whatever. Now, you want to start by buttering your bread. Once your bread has been buttered, you're already off to a great start. You're doing so well. I am exceptionally proud of you, maybe. Let's just turn our sangers inside out like so. Perfect. Now, what you're going to want to do next, and this is up to you, you can either put the cheese straight on, or you can put some barbecue sauce on. Now, you might expect me to do something immature and draw like a penis with the barbecue sauce. And I was thinking about it, because as immature as it is, it's funny as hell. But I'm not going to, because it's not funny, it's immature as hell. Alrighty, now we're gonna add our cheese. Our gold commodity. The shit that the dogs love, and there's one right here, there's another one down there. No, it's not, they've moved. So, cheese slice 1 down. Cheese slice 2 down. Okay, we're done for that cheese. We can put this cheese away. Next, I'm reckoning doing some mozzarella, however you say it, I don't care. But first, I lost a finger. The little dog's more vicious than the big dog. I'm gonna put our mozzarella on. There we go. You following along with this at home? If you fucking not, I'll fucking gut you, you fucking pig. I won't actually. That is rude, and I'm sorry. Threats of violence get you nowhere in life. Unless you're at the AFL. Then it gets you everywhere. Fuck. The umpires are fucking useless this year. Sorry, I'm on a tangent. Now, this is ready to be cooked. But the way I'm doing it, right, is I'm going to cook it on the fucking barbecue. Just had to make sure my mic was still attached to me. I'm going to cook it on the fucking barbecue. I was a bit stupid and did not preheat the barbecue. So, I'm going to go and preheat the barbecue. Now it's time for the fun part, isn't it? Yeah. Whack that on. Whack that on. Whack that on. Whack that on. Close the lid and pray for the best. I reckon we leave these on for maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes each side and then flip the bastards over. Because I am notorious for seeming to, or somehow, fucking this up. Royally. I don't know how, but I just managed to do so. Now, if you ask me, I reckon it's time to flip this bad boy. And pray to God it's not fucked. It's gonna be fucked. This is something different. Alrighty. I'm here to catch you! Yeah! Let's chop these bad boys up and let's see how well they've turned out, I reckon. There's going to be no cheese pull but, oh. I reckon this is like maybe the first time I've done something and not completely fucked it up when doing cooking with KierCass. So I'm actually proud of myself for that. Let's give it a little test. That's some good shit right there. Mm. Mm-hmm. No, that was a joke. That's actually good. I've done well. I'm proud of myself. Anyway, tell me what you think I should cook next. Ben, if you're watching, you're going to say cone cakes. So I'll do that eventually. Anyway, fuck you all. Yes. Producer, end this video. Director, end this video. Editor, start editing this video. Oh wait, I'm all of the above.